welcome to my channel. I am going to be showing y'all my fidgets. So first I'm going to show you these squishies. This one, it's really squishy. And then, yeah, this one, it has air in it, so it's really squishy too. And then I have these little cute ones. I'm sorry, I have another one. It's a little puppy. It's so cute. And then I have two pea poppers. Sorry, those are my sisters in the background. Yeah. And then I have my bike chain. Wait. And then I have my water timer. And then I have this drumstick. This. And then I have this. There's this side, which I love because of this, and these. And it's a fidget spinner too, and this clicks. So cool. And then I have these on this side, and then I can spin it. And then I have three of these actually. They're so loud. I love them. And then here are the other two. And then I have some of these. And then I have these. I have two of them. I actually made this fidget spinner. It was from I forgot what it's called. I made it. It's a really cool fidget spinner. And then I have two more fidget spinners after this one. Okay. Then I have this one. Really fast. And then I have this fidget spinner. And then I have this. It's really stretchy. Monkey noodle. I have two other monkey noodles. They're blue. And then these two poppets. I have a rainbow one that's really loud and good. And then I have another one that is amazing. I love this one. This one is my favorite one. This side is so loud, and the other side. Oh, I'm oopsie. So I have this side. Yes, yes, yes. And then hear that. Now the other side. Okay, and that's all my fidgets. Bye, guys.